Hello everyone, and welcome to today's review video. If you're a fan of smartphones, then you're going to love what I have to share with you today. I'm talking about the iPhone 8 and iPhone 8 Plus. These incredible devices boast a Retina IPS LCD display, a powerful Hexa core processor, 3 GB of RAM, and a spacious 64 GB or 256 GB of storage. And let's not forget the stunning 12MP camera and the lightning-fast 4G LTE connectivity. Now, I know what you're thinking. There are so many smartphones out there, why should I choose the iPhone 8? Well, let me tell you, not only does the iPhone 8 offer top-notch performance and sleek design, but it also comes with an incredible bundle that includes a wall charger, data cable, and the option to add on earphones and a manual book. And if that's not enough, the iPhone 8 Plus takes it up a notch by offering an even larger 5.5-inch display and the option for a standard package that includes earphones, a manual book, a case, and a glass screen protector. But wait, there's more. If you're not picky about the color, you can opt for the unlimited color option, which means we will select the best condition and quality phone for you, including appearance and battery health. So why should you buy the iPhone 8 or iPhone 8 Plus? Because they offer everything you need in a smartphone and more. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to own the latest and greatest from Apple. Simply check the link in the description to get your hands on the iPhone 8 or iPhone 8 Plus today. Don't wait, upgrade your smartphone game now. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech reviews and updates.